Hi all, it's Brendan, and today I will be doing 30 days of Solidity, and this will be day one. So, let's see. The challenge is, I think, Web3 compass challenge calendar. There we go. All right, and I'm gonna do day one, which is this, right? So let's build a simple counter. Imagine a digital clicker, etc. This stuff, right? So I'm gonna copy that, and then I am going to go to remix.ethereum.org. All right. Let me create a new folder for. Open that and create a new file. Let's call this O1 and then inside there I'll create a file called click counter.solve. Alright. So spdx dash license identifier MIT or whatever. Using this, so pragma solidity 0.8.30 and contract click counter. Alright, it compiles. Where is this? Alright, so the objective is to have a function named click. So let's see, function click. And it should be public, I guess. Access modifier. Alright, and then I'm gonna do so the counter plus equals 1. And of course I'll need a counter, so let's see, uint unsigned integer 256 bits and public counter equals 0, so it starts off at 0. Let's compile that. What's it complaining about here? Okay. I think it's hung. Anyway, I'm going to continue. I'll also create a reset function. Function reset public counter equals 0. Alright, let's compile this. What's up with this? Reload. Alright, something's up. What is remix? I have a feeling there's something inside the local DB or something that's causing it to mess up. So let's just create a new file. Click counter. Oh, it just took really long. Alright. So my file is still here. I'm gonna have to do it again. Alright, I'm gonna save myself some time. Do this. Compile that. Okay, compilation worked. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this 0.8.30 and let's see, Web3 compass challenge calendar, the one. Alright, so click counter is going to be that, uint 56, counter equals 0. Oh, this is actually quite similar to counter. So I'm just going to delete all implementation. Function increment. Oh, actually, what was it called? It was called click, I think. Function name click. Counter, this was click, and no parameters, public counter plus equals 1, and I also wanted to have a reset function. Counter 0. Alright, let's compile this. Alright, compilation has finished, it looks like. Okay, so this is gonna deploy this to an in-browser, like in-memory virtual machine. So it's not actually going to deploy to a blockchain, a real blockchain, just like in-memory simulated blockchain. So I'm gonna deploy clickcounter.sol and press deploy. Okay. Ooh, why is it on this file? Alright. Counter equals 0. Compile. Okay, compilation succeeded. Now I am going to destroy what was there previously and press deploy again. Okay, now I've got a deployed contract. I can see it over here. Alright. I forgot to make this public. Uint 256 public counter. So I'm going to destroy this, deploy again. Alright, so now I should have three functions. Counter, so the initial value is 0, as one would expect. If I click it, then transaction succeeds, press counter again, and now the value is 1. If I press counter yet again, it will still be 1, right? But if I press click again, and click again. So now I'm expecting it to be 3, and yep, it is 3. Now if I press reset, it should be 0 now, and then if I press click again, it will be 1 again. There we go. How about if I do reset and then click 3 times, and then it should be 3. So it went to 0, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3. Alright, that's it. I've completed the task.